students.
Good morning, sir.
This is primary Ashram School Kodgaona, and we are learning English in our school. And for that, we are using stories. I told you, stories are giving you fun. Stories are interesting to listen. We are learning moral lessons from these stories. We are learning values from these stories, and we are learning English also. So today I am going to tell you one more story. The name of the story is A Farmer and the Snake. All of you know farmer because we are children of farmers. Our parents are doing farming. Understand?
Yes.
So all of us are familiar with farmer. And in this story there is a farmer. This farmer is hard working. This farmer is working very hard in his farm. One day in the morning he was working in his farm, and the season was winter. Season was winter. So the atmosphere was very cool. The atmosphere was very cold. And he saw a snake. That snake was frozen with cold. That snake was unconscious. And this farmer was kind-hearted. He was good-natured person. He helped other people. He helped other animals. He always took care of others. So he picked up the snake and he put the snake in a basket. He carried that snake to his house. After coming to his house, he went in the kitchen and he put that snake near gas or near fire to give heat to that snake, because the snake was frozen. The snake was unconscious because of heavy cold. Understand? And then after some time the snake became conscious. The snake opened its eyes and snake was walking, or snake was going here and there in the kitchen. The farmer had children. The children were very happy. Why they were very happy? Because now the snake had become conscious. Before, snake was about to die. Why the snake was about to die? Because of cold. It was very cold atmosphere there, and the snake could not bear the coldness, and he became unconscious. He was frozen. Frozen means it had become ice. You know ice? It had become ice due to coldness. But now that farmer brought it to his house. That farmer gave it temperature, gave it heat, and now the snake was recovered. The snake was cured. Snake was cured. Snake was recovered, and it was going here and there in the house, in the kitchen. The farmer's children were looking at it interestingly. But one child went very close to the snake. And when the child went very close to the snake jumped up and tried to bite. Tried to bite the child. But the child ran away fastly, and the child was saved. When the farmer saw this, farmer took a stick and farmer killed the snake with the stick. Why did farmer kill the snake? Because farmer had saved the snake. Farmer had helped the snake. Yet the snake was trying to bite his son and trying to kill his son. So what can we learn from the story? Or what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that nature cannot be changed. What is the nature of snake? The nature of snake is that it bites to human beings. Yes, farmer had helped it. Farmer had saved it. But he doesn't understand our help. And he tried to bite the son of farmer. So from this story, we can learn that there are some bad people in the world. And we help them. We save them. We help them when they are in problems. We try to take them out of the problems. We try to take them out of the calamities. Why we help them? Because we are kind-hearted people. We are kind-hearted. We help others. We don't want to see other peoples in bad condition. But these people forget our help. And they also can bite to us like that snake. Why does this happen? This happens because of the nature. We cannot change the nature of people. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.